Okay, so let's start with Google Drive. The number one way to open Google Drive is to go to type in drive.google.com. Okay, that's how you can open drive.google.com. And so this was the number one way to open Google Drive. And it was cool, right? So that was very easy, drive.google.com. The cool part even begins when you have little dot in here, little options, install Google Drive. So when you hit install Google Drive, you will have like this application in your computer or in your PC or maybe Mac OS or PC, doesn't matter. And that's very cool. So you hit a click again and you hit install. That's very easy. Okay, you just do that and you will have its icon in your start menu. Okay, that's very cool. Into the next lecture, we're going to talk about the interface and everything of Google Drive.